to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you the Happy Life collection, which is an older collection, but I want to bring it back now into my lily pad shop. And this is the introducing video, and I like to show you in this video what's all included in the folders. So let's get started, and here are the previews. Just a quick overview what you can expect from the folders. So we have artsy bits and pieces and mask and yes, gesso, a little mini toolbox and some templates. So let's jump right into the artsy bits and pieces, and these are two folders this time. When you download the artsy bits and pieces, you have an A and B pack, so they are split up that you have smaller pieces to download. Artsy bits and pieces are perfectly to stack on top of each other, but also you can use them always as a mask and clip anything you like on artsy bits and pieces. And this is only a little bit of a hint for you. So this is the pack B here, and we have here a little bow, and we have buttons and some gem pieces, flower here, ornament frame, pinwheel. I like that pinwheel, that's really cute, and a rolled paper flower as well. So this is what you get with the artsy bits and pieces. 31 elements all together in this pack. Then we have the next pack are the art masks, and this is how they look like. We have here some blurred ones, and then we have some real heavy painted one. What you can do is you can combine also masks. So if you have one and you think that's too lame, maybe you want to take two together. So this is what you can do. You can only drag and drop the two masks on top of each other and merge them. And what you need to do is now go to reveal all. So you will be sure that everything isn't cut on the edges, and everything is shown up from the two masks in one file. So a little bit of trick for you, and this is what you can do with every mask you have. So combine them and stack them together and create new things by yourself with the basic what you get from my collections. Leave that open. Maybe we can use that for a little intro layout later. And this is the next pack, are the gesso pieces. We have here a lot of a sprinkle with a gesso on top, and then we have other packs here, and yes, a lot of sprinkles you see here in this gesso script pieces, and of course some script in like this one, and maybe we can use that later as well. So the next are the magic lights, and this is what you get here, the magic lights, a full pack, a lot of hearts here. We have also stars, a lot of bouquet effects, so such sunbursts as well, and some blurries of the bouquet, and a little more detail like that one, or the one of hearts. And so all together, great pack of magic lights here with the Happy Life collection. And then the next folders are the word arts, and this is what you get. You very positive word arts here, and you get a PSD file here. This is the cloud word art. Just open that for you, and how you can see, you can add here on each layer, each word you can move around if you like, and you can add styles of your liking. You can change the color. You can use it for every collection you have, and yes, with the moving of the words, you can create your own kind of cloud word arts, and you can leave a word off or you can add another one. It's up to you. So this is the PSD file from the word art cloud, and then we have some demo type word arts. We have here the typo style word arts, and altogether you get I don't know, need to count that. Is that somewhere? So it must be 20 different word arts you get here. 22 different word arts you get in this collection. So we jump into the next folders, are the whimsy sprinkles, and here you get little diamond confettis, little bling bling stuff. You get those little cute sprinkles are so cute. They remind me of those sprinkles you can put on bread. That's I know that's very famous in the Netherlands. It's called, can I still remember on it? Hagelslag? I think that's the right word. So maybe some Dutch girls just watching that video, and they can leave a comment if I said it right, or yes, I think every Dutch girl knew what I wanted to say with that. Okay, so we can go further here. He's a lot of little sprinkles and bits, and I like this little sprinkles to do because they are so whimsical. So really love that. And yes, these are the whimsy sprinkles from the Happy Life collection. And I have some solid papers. So this is an old collection. If you ever bought that collection once somewhere in my other shop at the Scraps, these papers are new. I just created them because Joyful Heart, she's still at the Scraps. She created the papers for that collection, and I only created the element packs. So that's why I created now a solid paperback for that one. And maybe you would jump over to Scraps and check out her coordinating papers there. But yes, here are some coordinating solid papers for you for this collection. Altogether you get 12 different solid papers. And then we go into the Toolbox Mini. Mini. It's actually only styles and different ones you can create. You can add to photos effects, and then we have some sprinkles, and then we have some frame styles. I will open that later in Photoshop and show you that a little bit closer. Then we have here the templates here. You get 2 template packs. Each template pack is contains 2 different 12 by 12 templates, layered, full layered, and they are very graphical, and I think they are just awesome. I never did something like that before or after, but I really like them when I see them. I really like it with those shapes and so on. So you can create really nice stuff with that. So we leave that open and use it later for a little bit of a layout. Then the next pack are these ones, also very graphical. You have here one with a lot of text to add, and also a lot of shapes. This one here. So yes, it's sure fun to use them, and add some artsy stuff on them. Okay, so actually this is it. I will do another video using a little bit of the elements, so stay tuned, and maybe you want to watch the video afterwards. So I hope you enjoy this little walk through this collection, and if you like it, please a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and also I like to invite you to my Artology group, and I'm gonna see you there, and have a happy time. Bye.